Have you ever noticed a girl in your class? She's not a topper, but she talks to everyone. She asks questions. She laughs. She makes friends. And you? You study hard. You're smart. But you sit there silent. You can't even say, "Excuse me, this is my seat." If that's you, then this video is going to shake your world. Because I'm sharing 7 simple but powerful steps to go from shy to the most confident person in the room. And don't skip point number 6, because that one will flip your brain. Point 1, look clean and feel clear. I'm not talking about beauty, I'm talking about energy. When you look fresh, your brain feels fresh. So, wear a clean uniform, comb your hair, fix your collar, put on your favorite lip gloss. Because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you act confident without even trying. Confidence starts from the mirror, not from your grades. You don't need makeup or a designer bag. You need a clean you, the kind of you that tells your brain, "I'm ready to show up today." Point 2, use your eyes. Don't keep looking at the floor like it's your best friend. Look at people when they talk to you. Eye contact is like saying, "I'm not scared of you." Without saying a word, even 2 seconds of eye contact builds silent respect. Start with glances, not stares. Don't look people in the eyes if it scares you, just look at the spot between their eyebrows. That trick makes seem like you're confident, even if your heart is doing backflips. Because shy girls don't lack words, they lack connection. And connection starts with the eyes. Point 3, speak small but speak. Start with 2-second conversations. Just say, "Hi, can I sit here?" Or, "Did you understand this question?" Or, "Wow, your handwriting is really nice." You're not trying to make best friends today, you're just building a habit. Because your brain learns confidence through repetition, and don't try to jump into group talks immediately. Just start by saying hi or how are you to one person. You're not boring, you're just quiet. And quiet people become powerful speakers because they think before they speak. Even if your voice shakes, say it anyway. Point 4, learn to speak in class. I know it's scary, but just try one sentence. "Can I ask something? Can you explain this again?" Even if you shake or fumble, you already have more courage than 90% of the class. Teachers love curious students. They don't expect you to be perfect. They want to know you care. Every time you raise your hand, you're not just asking, you're training your brain to stop fearing people. Point 5, learn to take up space. You don't need permission to exist. The moment you stop seeking approval, people feel your power. You are not boring, you're just hidden. So stop waiting to be liked. Start walking with your shoulders open. Sit in the 2nd or 3rd row, not always the last one. Walk like you're on a mission, not running away from attention. The way you sit, stand, and move speaks louder than your voice. Don't shrink yourself. Because confident people don't always speak loudly, they take space quietly. Point 6, play a role. Every shy girl has a confident version inside her. Give her a name. My name is CEO. When I walk into a room, I ask, how would CEO me walk, sit, and speak? This is a real psychology trick. It's called alter ego activation. You're not faking it. You're unlocking a version of yourself that's been hiding. Try it. Your body changes, your tone shifts, and suddenly, you're unstoppable. You're not pretending to be someone else. You're remembering the boss you've always been. Because shyness isn't your identity, it's just a filter, and you're allowed to take it off. Point 7, use the 1 compliment rule. Every day, give 1 compliment to one person. It could be small. Your bag looks cute. Or, you speak so clearly. This does 2 things. 1, it rewires your brain for positivity. 2, it breaks your fear of starting conversations. You don't have to be interesting, you just have to be interested. Ask, what's your favorite subject? How do you remember dates in history? Psychology says, people love those who make them feel seen. Be the girl who listens, because even if you speak just 3 words, they'll remember how you made them feel. Being shy doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're full of thoughts you haven't shared yet, but you're not here to hide. You're here to lead, smile, ask questions, make friends, and leave your mark. Even if the whole class forgets what you say, you won't, because courage becomes a memory, and that memory will lead you to rooms you've never imagined. Homework time. Yes, I give homework. Tomorrow, say hi. To two people, ask one question in class, even if it's small. That one move will open a new chapter in your personality. I want you to come back and tell me how it went. I'm cheering for you from the front row. And girl, I'm so proud of you for even watching this.